Under the Marine Mammal Protection Act and the Endangered Species Act, NOAA Fisheries plays a key role in the protection and stewardship of marine mammals. A top priority of NOAA is the protection of the Hawaiian monk seal, one of the most endangered mammals in the world. The latest records show that only about 1,200 exist in the world today. Unless everyone does their part, the monk seal will not be around for future generations.
It would be a shame if the Hawaiian monk seal went extinct on our watch. Future generations wouldn't be able to witness them in the wild and enjoy their beauty and their presence. Just this morning I assisted with transferring 2 Hawaiian monk seals that were brought to our facility here on Ford Island last night on an airplane from Midway up in the Northwest Islands to transfer them to the Coast Guard station here at Barbers Point so they could be flown to a hospital over in Kona. And the goal is to, within about 2 to 3 months, put about 150 to 200 pounds on them and then send them back up to the Northwest Islands.
Assisting the Protected Resources Division is the Office of Law Enforcement. They are the ones out in the field making sure that the rules are followed.
So when people intervene with the local marine wildlife, it's normally tourists and people who are trying to get close and take pictures, which is most times not a problem, but we have to remember that they're wild animals. And just like you wouldn't want a wild animal coming into your house, we got to remember that we're going into their house, which is the ocean or the beach, and we need to remember to stay away and give them their space.
There's a lot of ground to cover, and the responsibility of protecting marine life doesn't rest on the scientists and officers alone.
We have volunteers who are out every day looking at these seals, setting up seal protection zones or little outreach barrier areas that have signs that alert the public to the fact that there's a resting monk seal.
Volunteers are trained by NOAA on what to do when they get the call to monitor a monk seal.
We need to know what to do when we see a seal, because prior to this program, I would not have known. I would not have known that you need to stay a certain distance away from the seal. I would not have known that seals come on shore to rest during the day. You know, I wouldn't have known any of that.
Members of the community can show their care by contributing in different ways.
The best thing you can do is volunteer in different programs, whether it be part of the Marine Mammal Response Program where you're on the beach every day helping to protect the monk seals, or getting involved with invasive species removal or any of the other programs that we offer here at NOAA.
Through these efforts, there is still hope that the Hawaiian monk seal will thrive once again. From Ayumara Middle School, this is Maylin M. Mendoza for Hiki Now.